Unleash the full potential of your laptop. USB-C 10 port hub with USB-C power transmission port, 3 USB-A 3.0 port, VGA port, HDMI 4K port, micro SD/TF reader and slots for SD cards. Easily extend USB-C devices for everyday use. High-speed data transfer. 3 USB 3.0 ports allow users to connect multiple USB devices. Supports fast data transfer up to 5 Gbps. The total power of the 3 USB 3.0 ports from 7.5 W/5V to 1.5A is enough to fully charge the USB 3.0 device. Video solutions. Multitasking dual 1080p HD display via HDMI and VGA connected to 2 ports of 1080 Full HD display to improve the efficiency of your work. Turn your laptop into a complete workstation and do more. Easy to connect. The USB-C line. This base can make your USB 3.0 data transfer laptop, 3.5mm audio, RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet connector. The integrated SD/TF card slot provides easy access to external storage devices. Simultaneous support for double card reading.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,